Yeah, what's going on, you guys? Who's back with another video? Alright, y'all. As y'all can see from the title, y'all know it's gonna be a fade tutorial. I'm not into that barbering stuff, but I'm a man who likes to keep himself groomed. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my self-cut tutorial, and I hope that this video itself can help some of you guys start to learn how to cut your hair at your house. So without further ado, let me quit blabbering and let's get into it. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, y'all, so now after we come out the hair, man, we're just gonna lift it up and groom it down right here on our taper. Alright, so just comb it down a little bit. Make sure y'all got all the hair down. So we're gonna use an open lever, okay? This is open right here. Whenever I pull this little notch all the way back, it's gonna be an open guard. When it's all the way up and you can't push it forward no more like that, that means your whole clipper lever is closed, which means you got a closed clipper. Open it a little bit, that's open. Open it a little bit more, that's open. Open it all the way, that's open. So, open, close. Start off with open, and I'm gonna start creating my guidelines right here, like right at the lower part of my ear. Or not lower part, but at the tip of it. Let me make it a small little guideline. Alright, guys. When you start with open levers, it'll be easier to fade into after you already make a guideline with open. But that means you're going to lever. As y'all can see, I'm making my incision right there, my little guideline. I'm going to use my tool guard, and we're just going to close that because at the end of the day, it's not really going to affect us because we're just trying to remove. So now, after you make your little guidelines and stuff on your head, you know, after we done made our guidelines, now we're just going to make our little incisions with our fade. So we're going to start off with a closed lever on your ball clippers, okay? And when you start, you just start at the very bottom. Don't even work all the way up. I said, no, it's level, so we're going to start off with a closed lever, and we're going to open up just a little bit. So, as you can see, I'm not bringing the clippers down as fast as I did my open version of the video. So, after I make my little, you know, incision ball line, I'm just going to bring my clippers up by like 2. I got 3 levels, I'm going to bring it up to 2, just because I don't want to make my fade too low to where it can't connect to the top of it. And it's just really a process, man. You know, you just gotta watch and make sure, you know, not everybody's hair textures will work out the same way you cut your hair. So find it best for you to find somebody who has the same kind of hair texture as you, because cutting hair is a lot more difficult than what it really takes. And I'm not even like no pro barber or nothing like that, man. I just know what I know. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do after I've done my open lever on my ball area, now I'm gonna put my one guard on. Instead of opening, we're gonna close it. Alright? And we're just gonna start off at the bottom of it. We're going to work our way up, so. Alright, y'all, so now you can tell from whenever I first started, you know, like I said, you're going to start off with the ball guideline, and then you're going to end up working your way up. So what we just did, we created our guidelines, and then we blended them in, or at least we trying. Like I said, you know, like I'm not a barber, but I know what I have to do. You know, it's all about trial and error when it comes to this, man. You know, you can't be afraid to necessarily mess up your hair if you know it's going to come back. I'm going to grab my 2 guard, and I'm going to close the lever all the way. Alright, that's a completely closed lever. And I'm just going to go up at the top of my fade and make sure I get all those extra standing hairs sitting along my shirt. Alright, so after you've done getting through your guidelines and making sure you know you got a little something that you got going on with your blend, I'm going to just proof check and make sure that it looks as neat as possible. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I got the fade part in. You know, I got my fade on both sides, man. So now after we do that, you know, there's still a lot of correction we have to do. You know, my facial hair still need to get groomed, mustache need to be trimmed, hairline need to be fixed. Like, it's a lot going on right now. I'm not used to necessarily cutting the back of my hair, man, so I don't know if I'm going to cut it this time, maybe next time, but I definitely am going to line it up. So I'm going to just get my beard a little, you know, trimmed up, get my mustache nicely groomed up a little bit. We're going to use a number 3 guard, and I'm going to just keep my lever open, and I'm just going to go against my beard right now. You can just go down against it. Smooth cut, man. Smooth. Alright, y'all, so now I got a lever 1 guard it's gonna be closed this time because I'm trying to make sure that all these extra hairs along my mustache ain't gonna hang over my lip. So we're gonna start out with this, and if I have to, I will do an open no guard. Now we're gonna get to the edging. So let me grab my edge clippers and let's line this thing up. I just got my clippers now. All I'm gonna do is just, like I said, I'm gonna just follow. I'm gonna edge basically. I'm gonna follow my line. We're gonna start over here, right here, and I'm gonna just start with my C curve, and I'm gonna make my way down into my beard and try to connect it right here at the bottom of my mustache. So. The best way to get a good crispy line is you gotta be gentle going into it. Like you don't gotta expect your clippers to be sharp, and then if you press harder, the hair gonna go away. Sometimes all it takes is the gentle touch, man. Just make sure you guys keep brushing at it and making sure that you're getting what you're looking for in your edge up line. No rush neither, bro. Take your time. Using my ring light right now, so this is the fade, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, a 2, 1, all the way into the no guard, brought it into the beard, mustache. We got the line up. You feel me? Fade. Hey, man. Honestly, like I said, I don't cut too often. I ain't no professional barber, none of that, bro. But like I said, anybody can learn how to cut hair, bro. Like, it don't gotta be the top-notch best, but you can definitely get yourself a nice look going for yourself. First time, everybody gonna think it's not gonna work out too well. That's all right, though. That's the thing. It's not supposed to work out well in the first time. That's why you gotta keep doing it. Yeah, man. This is my haircut tutorial, bro. This is how I cut my hair, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You guys are new to my channel. Hey, man, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, bro. Make sure y'all hit the bell so y'all can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me put this ring light down. Yeah, man, this is just how I cut my hair, bro. Something slight, something easy. That's the easiest way I can teach y'all how to cut my hair specifically. Like I told y'all, though, make sure y'all learn y'all's hair texture. Like, it's not going to be easy at first, but y'all got it down, bro. I promise. Just don't hesitate. You just got to go with your gut. Do it you feel like looks good. Don't even worry about nobody else having an opinion. Just do what you got to do and handle your business. But yeah, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. This is Chris. Deuces.